What? Right this now. Is like my first real vlog though.
Oh my god.
But yeah, you heard it. It's the first real vlog, so here we go.
Your socks off, honestly.
I'm not wearing socks.
Oh, you're straight, dude.
You straight, bro. Straight, bro.
I know I'm straight.
Out here at Paradise.
Wearing shorts, a flannel, and a headband, and having that camera, you couldn't look more hipster.
You heard him. What up, yo? Hey, babe.
What's up?
Heck yes.
Out here with the headbands.
Look at this, guys.
Oh yeah.
Oh, sweet.
Oh my! Oh, sweet, man. Let me see. Let me see
Put
it.
them on.
Oh heck yeah! Wait, let me see if I can get that zoom. Let me see if I can get that zoom going on. Wait, it's so slow, but it's so good. Yes!
I gotta. Ow!
I found some new glasses.
Yeah, I swear, he always takes
Oh no!
Hi.
He takes long showers.
Oh,
He does
I look like a
take
grandma.
You took a...
Hi, sweetie. Hi, you want me to
Why?
make you some apple pie?
We're on the first
Yes, we can, babe.
hike down. This is not the hard part yet. We'll see what happens. So this tree fell,
Now there's a tree, so we're good.
and this is not
Part of the
supposed. Yeah, but we'll make it work. All right, we made it. But now we're waiting on these guys.
Yes.
All right, water break, time out.
I guess. And there we go.
There it is, Nick. It's paradise. Yep, this is the whole thing. You gotta jump. Oh,
Yeah, this is the whole thing.
How cold the water is. Yeah, we're here. All right, boys. What degree are we thinking?
I'm glad you will.
Is it cold?
It's not that much colder than usual. I don't think.
really?
I mean,
Okay, yeah, that's really cool.
That's the buy. A little bait bowl.
You're actually walking through the water?
Yes. Be prepared to get down and dirty up here.
Oh, God.
You'll leave with a bunch of mud and wet shoes.
The water is not that bad, but it's way higher.
No,
Oh, that's cold. It's real cold. It's so cold. It's so cold. And this is where it gets hard.
Oh my.
But we're going to the top first.
Oh yeah.
Top side over there.
Okay.
Hey, tell me if that's
It's right down
top.
there.
I think it's that one, but it might be that one.
Alright, this is when it gets real.
That's the way down.
What the?
That's the way down.
It's this way.
Yep, so
Oh, yay. Vibration.
but we're gonna take a detour super quick.
It's the way
Yeah, that's the top.
Honestly, what do I have to do?
That's it, man. I don't know about all that.
We're at the top of the waterfall now. Here we are.
Phone's going away. Wallet's going away. Knife's going away. Why do I drink so much stuff in my mouth?
We're at the top. Yeehaw. Yes. Ah, so cute. It's okay, guys. She fell. She's fine. She's fine.
Nothing even happened.
Yes, nothing happened. Oh, that's so cool. It is very, very cold.
way colder than my shower this morning.
Alright, sweet.
All right. Ah! Okay, that's like ice cold.
We're not going? So we're going, dude.
But it feels
We
so
jumping?
good though.
Not right this second.
How's it feel?
I can't feel my feet.
And then Noah's all the way up there. He's coming.
That's too cold. That's too cold.
cross, but it's not. Oh gosh, struggle. There's a hole. We're gonna go see the top. Okay, here's the big reveal. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I don't even want to look at her. Oh my gosh. Y'all have to see this. My gosh. Oh,
That is terrifying.
oh my
I cannot
gosh.
jump.
Oh my gosh, that's terrifying. Could you imagine like falling?
It's so.
It's so cold I couldn't.
First battle wound. First battle wound of the day. Ow. Ow. We're okay though, right? Yeah, we're good. Ugh.
Here?
Yeah, let's go up here. We should carve our names. Noah's got a knife.
Yeah. I just walked.
That's so...
Super satisfying.
Yes, so satisfying.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, this is satisfying. Oh yeah, we're gonna do some ASMR real quick. That's it. Oh, okay. I'm going underneath the vlog.
Just sit down.
$50,000 if you jump that waterfall right now.
Okay.
Do it.
Okay.
Right now. That was so good.
I didn't know.
Okay, we're on the steep part.
It's probably the same because that lake is filled up by these trees.
Yep.
Yo, y'all need a
Here we
saw?
are.
Nope.
Y'all, it's
Hey, you gotta
still
start the
winter, FYI.
I know.
Y'all crazy.
Ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Oh my gosh. That's crazy.
Just go. Did Jermaine belly flop in? That's it. Get him. There we go. He's already in. Dewey's swimming. I might have missed it.
Did you press the button?
I want to like walk
Wait, was
my
I
face.
supposed to press the button?
No. So we've all gotten in except for this guy.
Let's go, Nick.
It's only been.
I wouldn't put.
Hi, let's go back.
Go back.
Go back. I love you.
Yeah. Nick, I'll get in
What?
with you.
I love you.
Here he goes. You gotta dive though, bro. I don't think we'll be doing that one.
No, I think we're gonna stop.
Yeah, I think we're gonna not do that. Our time here is over.
You're going to talk about life straw?
Peacing out.
Yes.
Peace out.
The hypothermia
Yeah.
training is only to save other
Where's
Thanks
people.
for
my
watching.
husband?
We're gonna hike back up
I don't know how
now.
to shoot myself. It's over there.
I'm not gonna film that because it's basically the same thing as us coming down. So, thanks for watching. Look at this cute little doggo.
Life straw.
He's so cute. He's so cute. Okay. Bye. Bye bye.